Hey guys, welcome back. And today we will be discussing on some of the topics in Blender where your render actually is not working. And you have seen that in many of the videos, if you are a beginner or might be there is some here and there mistake you have performed, and that's why your render is not happening. So let me just give you the step-by-step approach. And the last approach is too problematic or too simplistic that you will not be able to identify it if you are a beginner. So the first approach you will see is always to see if you in the view layer you have all the points on. If you can see, these are the camera icons and eye options. So it should be visible for rendering as well as the camera should be able to focus on it. And how do you get it? You will get it in the restriction toggles. If I remove all of them, so nothing will come up. Okay. So in that case, you have to first go here. This is the latest version of Blender. It's 2.8 above. So you have to go here, you have to select all of those and see if any of those is hidden. So if it's hidden, it might show you during the render, but it will not show you after that particular sequence. So let me just show you if how you will hide it. You will hide it by clicking the button H on your keyboard. And if you want to unhide everything, just put Alter H, Alter and H, everything will be unhidden. So all this portion will be covered. Now we will directly go to the second problem where your output property somehow creates a problem. So you always go to this instancing tab, check if this render instancer is on. Same for these faces. This should be selected so that your render should be doing the real-time rendering. How to do a real-time rendering? You can select Z and click on this. And I have done some animations, so you can see if it's going like that. And this is how it is supposed to be. This is a real-time rendering, and it will be able to let you know how your render is supposed to work, how your animation is supposed to work. Now, there is one more possibility. Let me just show you. I'll just go to a solid form. So Z is the option for your real-time rendering, and the tilde option will show you the position. Tilde is the key before one and will show you where to put like that, right. You can say always stop. Now you go to the output format. For output format in the post processing, you need to disable the sequencer, and this is how you will be able to render anything. For rendering a text or anything, you can do this file format as FF map video. The quality should be higher and container should be MPEG 4. So let's suppose you have done all those things, everything is right because Blender 2.8 and above has taken all those things into consideration and is giving it a good smooth UI to do it. The only problem you might be facing is the camera. So what I'm going to say is click on the camera, put on 0 and see if your particular image or your particular section is coming in camera or not. Sometimes you will be able to see all these things and you'll be saying that everything is working. I'm able to do live rendering like in this fashion. I'm able to do this, but when I click here and submit on render, it is not working. It is not working because your camera is not focusing on the particular text or the particular area. So you click on your camera first and place your particular animation to that camera angle. Okay, otherwise it will not work. This is how it's supposed to be. This is your camera, the focus of your camera. This is your area, and it should be inside. If it's not inside, if your camera is going deep into some area or something like that, it is not going to work. So you have to be making sure that whatever text, whatever object you are going to render should be inside a camera. If the camera focus is not there, then nothing will work. So how to select it? Click on the camera, press 0 in the number tab, the numlock section you will be having right in your keyboard. There press 0 and you will be able to see the camera, and it should be inside it, the camera view should be inside it, and that is how it is going to work anytime. Nothing will be an issue because Blender 2.8 will take care of everything. If you are a beginner, you might face this issue, and that's how you will be solving it. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. We will be making more videos. If we do so, we need your trust, and do let us know if you have any doubts. We will be able to clear it out. Thank you. Have a nice day.